Aloha and welcome to my 5 a.m. morning routine here in Hawaii. We are here for the month and this is what my morning routine looks like while we're back. I will wake up, put in my contacts and brush my teeth. Then I'll get dressed, take my vitamins, and make my coffee. I add collagen and some vanilla almond milk creamer. And then I head outside to catch the sunrise. While I'm watching the sunrise, I always make sure I'm barefoot for grounding, and I'll just meditate, clear my head so that I can start the day off as calm as possible. With 3 kids, really helps. Then I always do a little journal entry. Sometimes I'll write about my feelings, if I had any crazy dreams, or other days I write about my goals and the dreams that I have for the future. But I'll just sit, finish my coffee, and enjoy the beautiful creation that God gave us. Hawaii is one of the last places that was created here on earth, and I really do feel like God saved the best for last. It is heaven on earth here.
Good morning, how are you? I like on your hat, that's beautiful. Like climbing up the steepest hill.
Around 6, I wake up the kids, and this week Presley had surf camp, so I had to make sure she was ready for that.
Good morning. Did I scare you? Good morning. You want to stay in bed? What are you doing? Crazy. Well, here, you got to get dressed for today. Okay? The outfit of the day. Presley, time for surf camp. Landon. Time to wake up. Gonna have breakfast before we take Sissy to surf camp.
That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go.
Surf camp suit.
And then I make the kids their breakfast.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And look at how cute this little carrying case is for the water. Got it because it has this strap too to like put on your shoulder for hikes, but it was really good for Presley for surf camp too, so she can put her watch and stuff like in the pockets. Breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Take a picture
Everybody's
of me.
got their waffle. Take a picture of you.
Yeah. We both want to cover it.
Aww.
Oh,
A bunch of hams today. Everybody has a waffle and berries.
that's delicious.
Hayden.
I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we
then my breakfast, I've got my coffee, I've got some berries, and I've got my David protein bar. Today's flavor is a salted peanut butter.
And I'd like to thank David for sponsoring today's video. You guys know that David protein bars are my absolute favorite. They're only 150 calories with 28 grams of protein. And you're supposed to try to eat 1 gram of protein for your body weight, which means I should be eating around 130 grams a day. So this is just so helpful when I'm trying to kick off my day with enough protein so that I have the energy to take care of the kids and do all the running around and cleaning and things that I need to do as a mom. I always have these thrown into my purse or my beach bag. They're the perfect high protein snack. These were created with science-backed nutrition so that they have the highest amount of protein with the lowest amount of calories. They're gluten-free and they taste freaking delicious. That's what I love about them. They have a soft, chewy texture. There's so many different flavors. The one I'm having today is a salted peanut butter, but there's a huge variety. Ready to increase your protein without adding unnecessary calories? I'm gonna have a QR code here on the screen as well as my link down in the description box below, or you can head to davidprotein.com. Get yours before they sell out, and you get a free carton with any order of 4 or more if you use my link. Be sure to try these. They're amazing. And thank you again to David for sponsoring today's video. And now it is time to drive into town to drop off Presley at surf camp. We just love this drive. It's past the beach and then through the mountains, and it's just so beautiful. Now we are in Honolulu, and it is time to drop Presley off at camp.
Well, Presley's at surf camp. We're going for a little morning stroll, huh, Hayden? Beautiful. And seriously, like, the most perfect morning. Conditions are great out there, too. Presley's gonna have a fun day surfing.
And since P was at surf camp, I decided to walk around Ala Moana Beach Park. But on other days that we're here, I usually just walk around our neighborhood with Hayden. It's just so nice to get outside each morning and enjoy the sunshine.
Just such a beautiful morning.
That's
Mommy,
take a picture of those poppies.
the poppy bird.
Take a picture of
Okay,
them.
I'll get them.
Get them.
Poppy and
And then we'll drive back to the house and I spend the morning cleaning up because we want to be outside and enjoying the beautiful weather basically all afternoon and evening. So I always try to make sure dishes are done and put away. Breakfast is all cleaned up. You definitely have to worry about bugs here, so you never want to have food out if possible. And I just, I like to make sure that the home is tidy, that the beds are made, toys are put away, and that any laundry that needs to be done is put in the washer. Because I only pack, like my method, if you watch those videos, is I'll pack for 1 week here. So I do always have to be doing laundry pretty regularly. And then I fold anything that's in the dryer. And it's just nice to have a little morning reset each day so that the house is good to go. And then we can carry on with the rest of the fun and our day outside.
In a little boat that outrent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent. Between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tan and red, flat out on a beach bed. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. My feet in the sand, green umbrella drink in my hand. That's where you find between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tan and red, flat out on a beach bed.
Well, that is it for this Hawaii morning routine. That's what it's currently looking like, at least this week, while Presley is at surf camp. It'll probably change over the next week when she doesn't have that drop off anymore in the mornings. But I mean, that's pretty much how it goes, seeing the sunrise, having that grounding and journaling time, and then coming back here, doing breakfast, doing a workout, doing the cleaning, the laundry, the tidying, kind of whatever needs to get done, and just enjoying the fact that we are getting to be in Hawaii for this month. It truly is just all of our happy place, and I feel so blessed to be here and to get to share it with all of you, and just for all of your support that allowed this to be possible. But if you have any other Hawaii videos you would like to see, leave your requests down below. Definitely going to be doing like day in the lives, and I will be doing some cleaning motivation while we're here too, because obviously I'm doing that pretty much every day. But yeah, just thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Aloha.
This moment, can't always